डॉक्टर बनने से पहले हमें एक शपथ लेनी पड़ती है, जैसे हमेशा सच का साथ देंगे, अपने पेशेंट को अपने आप से भी ज्यादा अहम मानेंगे, हर जिंदगी को कीमती मानकर उसका आदर करेंगे।
एंड द बेस्ट, तुम्हारे फादर को मेरे अलावा और कोई बचा नहीं सकता। कामयाब डॉक्टर बनना है तो याद रखना कि एक प्रोफेशन के साथ साथ एक बिजनेस भी है।
अंकुर अरोड़ा मर्डर केस फिल्म का ट्रेलर और फर्स्ट लुक हुआ अनवेल, जो है बेस्ड रियल स्टोरीज पर। फर्स्ट लुक पर स्पॉट किया गया फिल्म की स्टार कास्ट को, जिनने की बातें फिल्म से रिलेटेड।
डॉक्टर, दिस इज माय सन अंकुर। कल रात से इसके पेट में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है।
This could be appendicitis. It's a very common problem.
स्कैन रिपोर्ट आते शायद ऑपरेशन करना पड़े।
भूख लगी है। मेरा ऑपरेशन है 1 घंटे में बेटा। पेट खाली है ना आपका? सुबह में आपने कुछ खाया पिया तो नहीं? उसने 2-4 बिस्किट्स खा लिए हैं, वो खाली पेट नहीं
हाँ
है
तो
सब।
4 बिस्किट्स के लिए मैं ऑपरेशन पोस्टपोन नहीं कर सकता हूँ रोजीना।
अंकुर,
इनको निकालो बाहर। I drop into Uncle. Come on, come on, hurry.
Is my son dead? Is my son dead?
जो कुछ हुआ है वो बात बाहर नहीं जाएगी।
You all have murdered Ankur Arora.
मैं उस हादसे के लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं।
जानते हैं विक्रम से कि क्या हमारी फिल्मों को रियलिटी की जरूरत है।
I mean, that's always been a discussion whether, you know, life follows art or art follows life has been always an endless discussion. But obviously the inspiration of any film is from reality. But then some films are, escape from reality. And some films are about reality. So all films don't have to be about reality. This one is about reality. So that's what is important.
विक्रम से जानते हैं उनके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है बॉक्स ऑफिस।
Important box office, very important. That's the only office. और कोई ऑफिस ही नहीं है, मेरी ऑफिस बिक जाएगी, बॉक्स ऑफिस ठीक नहीं होगा तो।
वहीं विक्रम ने कहा कि ये फिल्म है रियल घटनाओं पर आधारित।
रियल घटना पे नहीं, रियल घटनाओं पे ऐसे नहीं, मतलब इसमें एक, क्योंकि हम सब खड़े हैं और आप लोग हमारी बात सुन भी रहे हैं, तो ये स्पष्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ऐसे बहुत से केसेस हुए हैं जिस पे ये पिक्चर बनी, जिसे हम एस्पिरेशन निमोनिया कहते हैं, और ये बहुत ही इन डेप्थ रिसर्च्ड फिल्म है एंड परहैप्स द मोस्ट कॉमन कॉज ऑफ मेडिकल नेग्लिजेंस थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड। और इसलिए बहुत ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से बनाया गया है, बहुत ही रियलिटी से बनाया गया है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम ऐसी फिल्में जो हैं वो ज़्यादातर बोरिंग हो जाती हैं या प्रीची हो जाती हैं। ऐसा कुछ नहीं, इट्स अ मेडिकल ड्रामा, इट्स अ मेडिकल थ्रिलर, इट्स अ फाइट अगेंस्ट नेग्लिजेंस।
पॉली हेट स्टोरी के बाद अब आ रही है नजर, क्या लगता है उनको इन दोनों फिल्मों में डिफरेंस?
Ankur Arora Murder Case is a different film. As an actor, I enjoyed playing both. I enjoyed playing Kavya Krishna, and in Ankur Arora, I also enjoyed playing like Kajuri Sen. And thanks to our director, Suhail ji, he really helped me out during it, and all my co-actors, Tiska, Vishali, everybody, and also I really enjoyed working in this film. That's it. Yeah, actually, I've played a lawyer, an advocate, and this is the first time I'm playing it. So I really needed to go into the skin of the character, for which we had a lot of sessions with my director and my actors. And actually, I had gone to visit few courts, in Calcutta, and I wanted to see what actually happens in today's world. Like, we've seen courtroom dramas before, but that was something else. That was dramatic. But I think Suhail and Vikram wanted to aim at something which is very realistic. So I wanted to see it.
विक्रम ने कहा कि ऑडियंस को एक बढ़िया स्टोरी चाहिए होती है, सो आइटम सॉन्ग होना या ना होना डिपेंड करता है स्टोरी पर।
I think that's a little unfair to the audience also, to say that they come only to see Charlie. They don't. They come to see a good film. And, so many good films in the past year, for that matter, have done well. You can take Barfi, for example. I don't think there was an item song in that. Oh My God was another film. English, the third example. So, you don't need item songs. For that matter, even Ashiki, which is done 70 crores, doesn't have an item song per se. It's got songs, but not item song. I think item song is when you think that the film's not going to work, so let's put this item song, at least then it will work. Unfortunately, we don't have the need to do that.
तो क्या इस फिल्म में है सिनेमेटोग्राफी, जानते हैं विक्रम से।
There is no cinematic liberty in this film because you cannot take a liberty when you are making a film on medical negligence. It's a film that is very well researched. It's the film that extremely... See, there is a difference between possible and plausible. And Ankur Arora Murder Case is a film that is both possible and plausible. And I think that's the beauty of it. I am on my own a little more, as she would say, commercial and romantic, like horror films and the kind. But Sohail here is a complete different director. He comes from a school that doesn't think that melodrama is drama, and he has made the film extremely sensitively. And I don't think it could have been turned out better.
टिस्का से जानते हैं फिल्म के बारे में।
I'm a bit of the resident expert on playing troubled mothers. So, but this was to another level. And I got so frightened by taking on this that I actually went and told Vicky and Sohail that I don't want to do it. Because I was very scared. It's not a thought that anybody wants to go into willingly. As an actor, you have to go into that area very willingly, saying that your child has died. And at no moment of time can a person whose child has died forget it. So as an actor, there was no moment in the film that I could forget it that my child has died. I couldn't say that, okay, let me have a cup of chai and I've forgotten that mera bachcha mar gaya. So, you know, it was that sense of constancy and that heaviness of soul had to remain. So that was a very big challenge. I didn't want to go there. So then I worked with both Vikram and Sohail many years back, and Vikram said, you know, you take a call if you want to do it or not, and Sohail said, tu kar le yaar, tu kar le. And so I actually, even before starting the film, the shooting of the film was a blast. Because almost everyone is like completely different from the very serious faces that you see there. Absolutely fun people. There was coffee breaks and there was fun conversations and there was great friendships happened. But before the film, I started like 2 o'clock at night. I would get up in shock and start crying just thinking about it. So it was very difficult to get into that space. But I was helped a lot by the script, which was kept very level, you know, so there was not any over-the-top moments where you can't believe. And Sohail was great on set, great support, and it's a very well-written script. So it was very easy to do once I was on set. It was difficult before.
क्या फिल्म का ज्यादा पार्ट कोर्ट रूम में है, जानते हैं विक्रम से।
Actually, सिर्फ यहाँ पे है कि हम लोग फर्स्ट हाफ सेकंड हाफ के हिसाब से पिक्चर देखते हैं। एक्चुअली वो तो सिर्फ इंटरवल है पॉपकॉर्न के लिए और कुछ नहीं। कहानी तो कहानी होती है, कुछ चेंज नहीं हो जाती इंटरवल के बाद। ये मेडिकल थ्रिलर इसलिए है क्योंकि एक मेडिकल नेग्लिजेंस का केस है और अगर ये अदालत में भी जब जाता है और वहाँ पे भी जब जो खुलासा होता है या जो दलीलें होती हैं वो मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस को लेके ही होती है। ये नहीं है कि मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस छूट गई और अभी आप कुछ और बात कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। तो और आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, अगर आप इंटरनेट पे जाएं तो एक रियल केस है ऑफ एन इंडियन पर्सन हु हैज रिसीव्ड द हाईएस्ट अवार्ड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ आई थिंक अराउंड 1 crore rupees in terms of medical negligence. That's for the first time Supreme Court has given that kind of compensation in a medical negligence case. So sometimes पिक्चर का काम ये भी होता है कि हम कहानी के साथ साथ कुछ ऐसी बातें भी कहें या कुछ ऐसी बातें भी करें जो लोगों की आंखें भी खोलें, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसे मेडिकल नेग्लिजेंस एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हम सब अपने फैमिलीज में, अपने दोस्तों में, हम सबको एक ना एक किस्सा तो ऐसा पता ही होगा।
टिस्का है अपने काम को लेकर काफी चूजी, तो क्या है इसका रीजन? लेट्स फाइंड आउट।
Actually, it's not a sabbatical, it's that those films take time to release. So it's not by my choice that happens. Most of the time I seem to be working. Anyway, that's the complaint that I get from home. I think I look for first a good story to tell. So in this case, in Ankur Arora, it's so amazing that about 3 or 4 days back, my assistant
was admitted to hospital, and she had appendicitis. And she was shivering because she kind of heard the whole story from me, and she was so anxious going into that surgery. And I met the doctor, and what happened in the course of that surgery was, you know, what Vicky was saying was that everybody, you know, it's like you go to a mechanic, you don't know what's under the hood of the car. You really have no idea. So अगर वो आपको बोलेंगे आपका स्पार्क प्लग खराब है, अच्छा ठीक है खराब है. अगर वो आपको बोलेंगे आपका कार्बोरेटर नहीं चल रहा है, हाँ नहीं चल रहा है, हमें क्या पता है? We don't know no better. If the doctor tells me that there's something wrong with my gallbladder, do I know how to check my gallbladder? So there's a sense of innate trust that you have on the doctor, and you believe his Hippocratic oath that he will take care of me. So when I went there, they kept her for an extra night. They sent her for a CT scan somewhere else. They charged the ambulance cost. They charged extra medicine. I could make out all that was going on. And you know, we knew that we had to do the surgery because she was doubled over in pain. There was no way of getting out of it. So there, this element, I think, should raise the level of raise the conscience of doctors to say that don't do this to people. You know, don't do this. They're really trusting you. They go through hell. So don't do that. That was one. The second, the level of awareness in the people who are themselves patients or family to say that you can address it. It's your body, it's your life, you should know, you should find out. So it's raising the level of awareness overall. So it's stories like this that really interest me. But honest to God, after this I want to do a Gali Galoch role. I really want to play a badass person. I'm done with crying and weeping. Vicky, please do something.
यहाँ के डॉक्टर्स ने जो किया है वो कोई फर्स्ट डिग्री मर्डर से कम नहीं था।
जानते हो तुम क्या कर रहे हो? एक रेप्यूटेड डॉक्टर को इंसल्ट कर रहे हो। मेरे पास गवाने को कुछ नहीं है और आपके पास बहुत कुछ है।
इस बार तेरे खिलाफ वो माए हैं, तेरी हस्ती उजाड़ देंगे हम।
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।